Hello people, so how are we all doing today? Well, this is Swedish, 5 Kronor. So, I'm going to use a slightly bigger punch on this one, 1/2 inch, because it's a middle of the road sort of size coin. Hope everybody's doing absolutely spotty dog today. I'm pretty good. Thank you for asking. I hope you're having a wonderful week or weekend. I don't know when my girlfriend's going to put this up. Oops, a daisy. What happened there? Is it still? Yeah, it is still doing it. My monitor just went dead. And it's still dead. What happened there? I don't know. My monitor's gone dead. Why? Right. I'm going to stop this to get my monitor back on because I can't see jack without it. Okay, I'm back. Right. Bit of a technical problem there, ladies and gents. Right. Don't need that, don't need that, need that. You just want to clean up the inside edge. Make sure there's no sugar beet growing in there. Or turnips. I hate turnips. Bloody hate them. My mum used to... The only time we used to have turnips when I was a kid was at Christmas. Bloody turnips. Good God. You know what you can do with your turnips. Right. Let's show it some affection with Bernie. Right, that's good enough. Let's dry it off a bit. Bring out dimples. Right, what we're going to go with. Well, yeah, it's going to have to be this side, isn't it? It's going to be sunny side up on the ring, so this goes face down. Oh, look at that, perfect. You have the perfect little right. Go over to Big Red and show it a bit of love. That wasn't too shabby. Now we need one of these. This is a 17-degree folding die with jollop already inserted. And you just want to make sure it's nice and level. It doesn't have to be 100%, but as close to 100% as possible. And then I give it a bit of 7-9. And that does that. So now I'm going to warm it up again and we'll take it over to spike. So I'll be back in a sec. Right, I've annealed it. I'm just looking to take that bow out of it. So, this is a ring stretcher called Spike. I love him, he's great. Every time I use Spike, it makes me smile. I don't know why, but it does. Yeah, the bow's out of it. But I'm going to give it another couple of pumps because I think he deserves it. But I don't want to push my luck and go too far. There you go. That ain't too bad. So now we go down the bottom end of Spike and we will give you a bit more zoom so you can see what's going on. I was just looking for that one should do the job. Make sure it's all hoochie coochied. And then give it a bit of 6-2. Oh, 6-2. There you go. Perfectly flat square walls. I don't know how I'll do it for the money, I really don't. Right. Let's take out Felton John. We're racking Kate Bush. And we'll get the fire scale off it. This is just like Quad Zero Steel Wool. If you've got any questions, anything you'd like me to do, except bugger off, I'll happily do it for you. If you've got any coin rings you'd like me to make, a certain type of coin, if I've got it, I'll do it. This edge isn't, it's milled, it's not reeded. Right, let's take that Kate, we're whacking Felton John. Bit the old polish. On the shirt a bit more love. Right. Yeah, if you're looking for a custom ring, I'll happily make you one. I've got loads of different coins. You can even send me your own coins, which quite a few people do nowadays. A bit slippery when wet. Right, what we got? Let's clean off the mingers first, shall we? Make the effort to look a bit sexy. Right, okay. What do we got? These come up quite good as a rule. As a rule, get a slightly cleaner cloth. Not much cleaner, but it is a bit cleaner. Oh yeah, that's quite sexy. Right, what we got? Yes, it's milled. It's still got all the detail on the inside. That's why I use the kitchen roll or whatever. And here you go. On Swedish coin ring, there's no lip in these neither. They're quite good. What we got size wise, this is a size 11, nearly 11 and a half. I can make it bigger, I can make it smaller. Fits this finger perfectly. Thank you all for watching. If you want to hit the like button, please do. If you don't want to hit the like button, yeah, still do it. Come on, show me some affection. And I hope you're all having a great day, a great weekend. I don't know when this is going on. I might be in England, I don't know. But yeah, try and make someone smile. And I'll see you in the next episode of Mr. Wonderful. And you lot can have this. Have it!